Certain. Here's an example of how good sales copy for Soulmate Sketch might be written. With the goal of encouraging your audience to use the service, are you tired of looking for love without success? Have you never found your soulmate? Soulmate Sketch is here to help. With our soulmate drawing service, you will finally be able to see your ideal match. Just provide us with some basic information about yourself, and we'll provide you with a detailed picture of your potential life partner. Our service is highly reliable and of high quality, so you won't be disappointed with the result. Don't miss the opportunity to find the love of your life. Try Soulmate Sketch today. Here are some tips for writing effective sales copy for Soulmate Sketch, based on the research results provided. Set a goal for your sales copy. For example, you want to encourage your audience to use the Soulmate Sketch service to find love. 1. Focus on the benefits of customer service, such as the ability to finally find your soulmate. 2. Use clear and easy to understand language, avoiding exaggerations and hyperbole. Focus on what the service can do for the customer. 3. Be concise and do not use superfluous words. Sales copy must be easy to read and understand. 4. Highlight the opportunity that the service offers, making the customer feel that they are missing out if they don't use it. For example, you can use phrases like "Don't miss the opportunity to find the love of your life." Are you looking for true and lasting love? Then the Soulmate Sketch service is what you need. Thanks to the talent of the Chinese master Wang, you can get a digital drawing of your ideal partner. Hundreds of people have already found love, thanks to Soulmate Sketch, and you could be next. But hurry, because Master Wang's daily production is limited to only 5 drawings. Don't miss this unique opportunity and find out how Soulmate Sketch can bring you closer to the love of your life. Contact the service today. In essence, the copy underlines the uniqueness and limitation of the Soulmate Sketch service, emphasizing the idea that the ideal partner could be close at hand thanks to this tool. The goal is to get the audience to act immediately in order not to miss the opportunity to find true love.